folks, it's Sarah. Today I am going to show you guys how to use your damper control on the JA Roby Gemini cook stove. So basically you just have two simple damper controls. You do have a damper control located here at the very bottom. Pulled out is going to be wide open, which is how the stove is burning right now. And pushed in is going to be closed. So I'm actually going to close it for you guys right now so you can see the demonstration of the airflow. Look at that. Look at how much that flame went down. That is a significant difference. JA Roby stoves do have a very tight airflow, so that is super nice. I'm going to pull it back out for you as well, just to show you how quickly that airflow opens back up to allow the air into the fire. Nice, hot, clean burning fire. Perfect. So the second damper control located on the stove is going to be located at the very top here. Now this is on the cooktop. This gets hot. If you're going to open it, grab a rag, a oven mitt, something of that sort. When you are facing the front of the stove, when it is going to be pushed all the way to the right hand side, that is going to be closed, which means you're heating up your oven. If you open up these vents, which you can do by going like this and pulling it to the right hand side, you are then opening up the oven for the heat to disperse out of the oven, and you're going to get more heat into the room. And whoa, after opening it, I can already feel that heat pouring out of the oven. Right now I'm gonna leave it closed because I'm just slowly getting my oven up to temperature and giving you guys some readings as well. So that is going to be how you use your two damper controls on the JA Roby Gemini stove. If you guys enjoy these videos, if they're helpful, informational, and educational, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. Also, click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day.